morning. Welcome to Green Science and Development in Agriculture. So, our project name is Cultivating Mushroom. Myself, I'm Rasina, and my friend Sabah Fatima are here to explain about mushroom. So, mushroom is a fungus. As the another name of mushroom is toadstool. As we know, mushroom is a fungus. It is a saprotrophic nutrition, which means it derives its nutrition from the land decaying microbes. So there are many steps involved in the cultivation of mushroom. So some of the steps are here. And there is a problem about overeating of mushroom. That is with non-cellulose materials because it has a lot of waste in it which derives its nutrition. We can get gastrointestinal illness, which means stomach pain, vomiting, motions, and also etc. So let's learn what are the steps involved in it. So the first step is composting, usually known as husk. In this step, we will take a large bag and will add some of the sperm. Sperm is an ingredient which is used in making of mushrooms. And then we'll add husk, and by we will use the layer wise layer. And the next step is place the compost. In that, before adding, we have to use the husk. In this husk, as we know, husk is a dried grass which has a lot of impurities. So, while doing this, we have to use the hot water treatment and sterilization. Sterilization is a process in which we remove the microorganisms, and also in this, we'll keep in a large bag and we'll keep like sealing. And the third step is spawning. It is similar to sealing stage in which we keep mycelium. And the fourth step is and next is casting. Casting is a process in which slowly and steadily it converts to a mushroom. And the fifth step is spinning. And also it is the major important step because as we use the bagging in it by using its potential field, it enlarges its shape and also it requires a lot of time. And the main process is cropping. Sixth process, which was kept in a dark room for 45 to 55 days, and the temperature should be mostly maintained between 25 to 30 degrees. And it is a major important thing because it can change from an hand to hand. And even we have to change the bagging. Instead of first, we need to add the soil because as we are growing at home, the soil is the much more important thing in it. And also it changes from hand to hand, which means ingenuity as how much a person requires and how much a person needs to be used. And also by temperature it can affect. So we should be careful in this step. And this is the mushroom cultivation. After doing all this step, our final mushroom looks like this. And the major important thing about mushroom is it gives a good strength to our body. But until and unless we use it in a limited way. But if we do unless or limited, it can be very harmful to our body. So be careful. Thank you.